Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra and you can call your girl T. Here on my channel you will find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. As you can tell by this video, I'm so excited to finally be doing my first Halloween look. I decided to do something a little simpler for people who want to tag along and do it along as well. Why not be something that I am 364 days of the year? A clown. So it too is out and I had a lot of inspiration for that. Everyone's doing it on the gram and I was like, let me go ahead and put my little spin on it. But you know that I'm bougie, so I had to add a lot of glitter. Glitter, sparkle, like, yes, I'm trying to kill you, but I'm trying to kill you from my looks. This is the clown you want to die from. This is the clown that you want to kill you. You know what I mean? There's definitely worse ways to die. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this look. Okay, so foundation is on. I just used my 24-hour color stay. I am doing all of my face first and then my eyes. Although I am using glitter, so I hope I don't regret this, but we're gonna see. Really, I'm just trying to be a glam clown. Like, I'm not here to scare nobody. We're gonna make it like a little Halloween-esque, but my beauty blender is clean today, y'all. Y'all, that LA girl has been doing it for me lately, and I am not mad about it. In regular fashion, I'm going to set my face with my Fenty powder. And we definitely want to be nice and set for this. Wow, I haven't done my face first in so long after I got bullied on Instagram for doing it first. It's the good old days. I miss it. Just really setting all of that. So now I'm going to use this black from the James Charles palette. Y'all know that, like, I love this palette. It just does it for me. I'm gonna go in with black and I'm gonna contour my face. This is giving me anxiety already. Kind of start bringing that up a little bit and around. Alright, we're just getting that really nice and blended out. I'm going all the way up. You know, we're gonna look a little dead, you know? So I'm gonna go in with this bright red. Kind of put this on my face. I guess, like, clowns don't have blush, like dead clowns, but, like, you know, I just can't do a look without blush. I think blush is, like, what completes me, you know? Alright, so now that I have some type of shape to my face, I'm definitely going to come back and finish it afterwards. But I'm going to start on the eyes. I'm going to do a cut crease. What else would I be doing? It's my favorite thing to do. I'm going to start by packing in that red. And we're just going to build, build, build and make it pop. So I'm going to go in super bright red. And I don't know if I even showed you guys this, but this is also what I use for my blush. So yeah, we are going to start packing in, and I want this to be, you know, dramatic. I'm a clown, duh. So yeah, let's just pack that in. I figure I would start Halloween off with something I really felt comfortable with doing and work my way out to the more risque things. It is in right now, so it's like, yeah. I want that to connect a little bit to these areas that I already have made here from the blush slash contour going up. Now I'm going to go in with this brown here and I'm going to start to deepen the crease and build that crease. Back it with that red. And we're just going to blend these two together. Use this here. Going in with the black. And we're just going to start to really cut the crease yet again. Same steps. Okay, so this is looking good to me. What do you guys think? Now I'm gonna start to cut this crease and we'll see how it turns out, guys. Okay guys, this is looking good. I'm excited. Alright, and I can fix this. Like, I want that to be more dramatic, but like, I was basically putting the face down as like a prep. And we gonna get this cracking because I'm trying to be looking bomb. I think I want this to be a little bit more up and around. Alright, I'm gonna go in with some ColourPop glitter and put that on my lid because I just can't do a look without glitter. I'm so sorry. Now I'm just gonna line where the crease cuts at. Just to give it a more defined line. Okay. And I kind of like this glitter better, so I'm just gonna put this all over the lid in different areas, just scattered about. Ooh, okay, we are sparkled up. NYX liner, gel liner, and go ahead and do a nice little wing. I'm gonna use this mirror again, guys. Sorry if I'm like covering up, but your girl blind, so. Okay, looking good, guys. One down, one to go. Using the same liner that I just used, I'm going to do a little circle. Now I'm going to take this color, it's called Devotion by Milani, and I'm going to just kind of start blending that with the red, with the black. I'm not sure what this color is called. Gorgeous. Add that into the middle. Glitter, kind of just like as like a shine. I'm just gonna go back and kind of fix my face a little bit. Just like this red here. Really get that area together. Now I'm going to start on my I'm literally gonna line my lips in black. Which, good luck getting this off. Devotion again, it kind of already has black on it. I'm gonna keep that on the outer edge. And just blend that black into the red. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this. What color is this again? Gorgeous. Honestly, this is an ombre lip that I would do like, obviously without the corners, but like if I'm doing an all black look, this is bomb. So we have this part done. I'm going to start doing like the little triangles. It's stress. I'm gonna use this as well. I don't want to do big ones. I'm just following like the arch of my brows. Well, I guess my brows are lopsided because those don't line up. That's okay because I'm going to like bring the red out and we're gonna blend a little bit. Oh baby, this ain't blending. I'm just gonna bring that down. So now what I'm going to do is take that Marc Jacobs again and start to trace this to match and bring this up. And you can make these super symmetrical if you want them to, but they're supposed to be tiers, so I didn't want them to be exactly the same. Try to keep about the same, but like this one's a little bit more over. I was gonna do more like actual tiers, but I chose not to. So yeah, it's a clown. It's supposed to be a little delirious, so yeah. Now I'm gonna start doing this under eye area. I'm really not gonna do anything too crazy. I think I might just sweep a little red. I'm gonna take some black. Taking the glitter. Alright guys, I'm just gonna throw on my lashes and then I'll be pretty much done. I'm like really excited how this has turned out thus far. So I am gonna take that black and contour my nose. Okay, let's highlight. Halloween is where I thrive. You know, I get to be what I am in my head, like outways. Like I had so much fun with the intro. I'm like, wah! Like, do you guys know how often I rock back and forth in my bed? I did see that someone else did a video with a choker on, but like I already had this choker in mind and I was like, well, I guess we both wearing chokers, sis. This look is so simple and so easy. If you don't have like the ability to do like a cut crease and things like that, you can literally just skip it and just do shadows and glitter and call it a day, throw on some lashes. But like I hope that I was able to give you guys a little inspiration. I mean, there's tons of inspiration online, but like this is my spin on it and this is the way that I decided to do it. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please take the time to comment down below and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.